Unlocking the secrets to rapid credit score improvement. The invisible toll of poor credit. Low credit scores cost consumers significantly in interest and fees. Patricia's transformative journey. A 140-point credit score increase saved her over $215,000 in mortgage interest. Conventional wisdom versus hidden strategies. Traditional advice encourages long waiting periods, benefiting lenders financially. The power of authorized user trade lines. Being added as an authorized user can drastically improve credit scores almost overnight. Understanding credit score calculation. Key factors: payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history significantly impact scores. Leveraging trusted relationships. Adding an authorized user account with excellent history can improve credit profile instantly. Mistakes to avoid in credit optimization. Choose the right accounts, time your credit utilization properly, and avoid new inquiries. Action plan based on your current score. Strategies vary based on starting credit scores for optimized improvements. Recognizing systemic flaws in the credit industry. Understanding how lenders benefit from obscuring credit score mechanisms is crucial. The long-term impact of knowledge. Improved credit scores lead to significant financial savings over time, affecting loans and insurance premiums. Your path to financial empowerment. Utilize the knowledge of credit systems to transform your financial future.